Welcome to my journey. There's our military bulldozer. A lot of these trees are chestnut trees and oaks primarily, a few maples mixed in there. And this is day 2 of the build. Got it all prepped. We're doing the roof truss on Monday's the plan, and steel on Wednesday. And these boys put a lot of nails in the boards. Makes me feel good. Yep, everything's marked. So this is the west side. The window there that they started the framing, that'll be a patio door. It seems low to me, that header, but we'll find out. And then on this is the storage. 8-foot door on this side, park a vehicle in, and 9-foot wide on this side to back my boat in. Right now I gotta back in that 8-foot opening, and that sucks. 9-foot will be sweet. Thanks for joining me on my